That's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful FXR, as you can see. Looks like it's got an internal belt drive as well. Metmachex swinging arm. Very, very cool. Original fender and all. These bikes really starting to fetch some serious money. Got the old supertrapp on as well. If you're interested in any parts, the S&S air filter. It's got a stock CV carb on this by the looks of it. But S&S air filter and the supertrapp, very good bits of kit. Look at the billet yokes and all. Proper CNC yokes on this. A cracking looking machine. Great fun. Pretty quick as well. If you're interested in FXR parts, give us a bell. 01773835666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. Thank you.